This Nem Chua Vietnamese fermented sour pork recipe takes about 30 minutes of active preparation, plus 1 to 3 days of fermentation and chilling, and yields 12 to 16 delicious pieces, perfect for serving 6 to 8 people as a flavorful snack. Experience the irresistible tangy, garlicky, and mildly spicy punch of finely ground pork, combined with shredded pork skin and roasted rice powder, all wrapped snugly in banana leaves to develop a pleasantly sour, firm texture. This beloved Vietnamese treat is a vibrant burst of flavor that's sure to excite your taste buds, perfect for sharing with friends and family. Let's now check the ingredients. 500 grams very lean pork, finely ground and well chilled. 150 grams shredded boiled pork skin, heo, well drained. 30 grams, about 4 tablespoons, roasted rice powder, thin gao. 25 grams, about 2 tablespoons, sugar. 8 grams, about 1½ teaspoons, fine sea salt. 1½ tablespoons fish sauce. 1 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper. 5 cloves, garlic, minced. 6 bird's eye chilies, thinly sliced. 1/4 teaspoon pink, curing salt No. 1, optional. Banana leaves, cut into small squares for wrapping. Plastic wrap and kitchen twine for wrapping. Optional garnishes: Vietnamese coriander, rau ram, mint, cucumber slices, roasted peanuts. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Chill a large mixing bowl and utensils, sanitize your workspace, and keep the pork very cold, 0 to 4 degrees Celsius, for best texture and safety. In the chilled bowl, add 500 grams finely ground lean pork, 25 grams sugar, 8 grams fine sea salt, 1½ tablespoons fish sauce, and 1 teaspoon black pepper. Mix vigorously with a spatula or gloved hand until sticky and slightly glossy, 2 to 3 minutes. If using, sprinkle in 1/4 teaspoon pink curing salt No. 1 and mix thoroughly to incorporate evenly. Add 30 grams, about 4 tablespoons, roasted rice powder, thin gao. Knead until the mixture binds well and holds together. Fold in 150 grams shredded boiled pork skin, heo, until evenly distributed throughout the mixture. Mix in 5 minced garlic cloves and most of the sliced chilies, reserving a few chili slices for garnishing individual parcels. Prepare wrappers. Wipe banana leaves clean and briefly pass over a low flame or hot dry pan to wilt and sanitize. Cut into 10 to 12 centimeters, 4 to 5 inch squares. Set out plastic wrap and twine. Portion the pork mixture into 12 to 16 equal mounds, about 30 to 35 grams each. Place 1 mound on a banana leaf square with a chili slice and shape into a tight log. Wrap each log snugly in the banana leaf, then in plastic wrap, twisting the ends to expel air. Tie securely with kitchen twine. Tighter wraps yield better texture. Ferment the parcels at cool room temperature, 24 to 28 degrees Celsius / 75 to 82 degrees Fahrenheit, for 24 to 72 hours. Check daily. They are ready when firm, pink, and pleasantly tangy aromatic. Refrigerate the Nem Chua for at least 4 hours to set, then unwrap. Serve with extra chili, garlic, herbs, rau ram, mint, cucumber, and roasted peanuts if desired. Storage and serving. Keep refrigerated and consume within 5 to 7 days. Do not leave out for more than 2 hours. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.